Oh, hello. I'm Paul. Welcome to Teva. And today we'll be showing you how we make 480 million doses of sterile medicine every year. Patient safety is at the heart of everything we do. Our processes ensure that our products are sterile and do what they're supposed to. A non-sterile product could be harmful to our patient. We begin in our dispensary warehouse where we safely store our materials prior to accurately measuring them for a batch manufacture. Come this way. This is the dispensary. All right, that's Dad. He's protected from the materials by the booth that he's working with. At the same time, the materials are protected from any environmental contaminants. Next, we transfer the starting materials to the manufacturing area. At the manufacturing system, we mix and sterilise our product ready for filling from one of the holding tanks. So Eddie, when's the next batch ready?
Should be in the tank by about 3 o'clock.
Excellent job. This way. This is the filling machine. It moulds our primary container. At the same time, it fills that container with sterile product. That ensures that we're microorganism free. Come with me. Hey Hikky.
Hi.
Hikky's now going to take you through our automated packaging process.
Hi, welcome to our packaging area. Come on. This makes sure that every single unit are not leaking. Make sure if nothing can get out, nothing can get in. Cool, right? So this piece of kit makes sure every single unit has got a unit label on it and takes a picture to make sure it's the right label. This kit collates all those sold units we've just packed into cartons, puts a leaflet on, and then glues it. Come on, let's go talk to Lina. Hi Lina, what are you doing?
Well, I'm just checking the quality of the print on the cartons.
Oh, brilliant, that's great. So, let's put it in context. This production line alone makes over 500,000 units per day. Every single one of those units is made to the highest quality standard. Any single unit that do not meet the standards get rejected. Let's go meet Amy.
Product is next sent on a conveyor system where it's transported, sorted and palletized automatically in the warehouse. And we're almost done. From this warehouse, we ship all the product to patients all over the world.
So, there you have it. We make 480 million patient doses on this site every year. And we've just shown you a snippet of the safety checks and quality checks that goes into every single one of them. Anyway, that's it from us. Thanks for watching.